Hello traders, welcome back to another exciting video on my channel AM Trading Tips, where we make smart trading simple. In today's video, I'm going to share an amazing Forex trading indicator for MT4 that works on any time frame, whether you're trading Forex, gold, crypto, or even stocks. And guess what? I'll also show you live trade examples using this indicator, so you can see exactly how it performs in real-time markets. So make sure to watch till the end. You don't want to miss a single tip. Important reminder, trading in the Forex market involves risk. There is no guaranteed profit, and you can lose your money. This video is for educational purposes only, and not financial advice. So always trade responsibly, and only invest money you can afford to lose. In this video, I'll also explain the simple rules to follow with this indicator to catch high-probability trade setups. It's super beginner-friendly and very effective once you understand how to use it correctly. Now, let's understand how this indicator actually works, and when to take the perfect trade. When you're looking at the chart, you'll first notice a small red circle appears near a specific price level. This is just an early signal that the price is approaching a key level, so keep watching closely. Next, when the price hits an extreme level, either too high or too low, the indicator shows a big red circle. This is your main clue. It means the market is overbought or oversold, and a potential reversal could happen soon. Now here's the most important part. If you see a buy or sell arrow after this big red circle appears, that's your confirmation to take the trade. This means the indicator is giving you a strong signal that the price might reverse from that extreme point. Here are the trade rules. Enter the trade only when the arrow appears after the big red circle. Do not enter if the arrow appears before the circle. That signal is not valid. Set your stop loss just below the previous low for a buy trade, or just above the previous high for a sell trade. For take profit, you have two options. Option 1, close the trade when you see the next small red circle. Option 2, exit when the price touches the first ATR band channel. This keeps your risk controlled and lets you catch strong, smart setups with high accuracy. Let's now take a look at the chart and watch how I take a live trade using these exact signals, so you can see how simple and powerful this really is. All right, traders, the trade is live now. As you can see, the price is at an extreme level. The big red circle has appeared, and we've got a strong buy arrow. This matches all our strategy rules, so we've confidently taken a buy trade. Our stop loss is placed at the previous low, and for take profit, we'll either exit at the next red circle, or when the price hits the ATR band channel, or follow a 1:1 or 1:2 risk-to-reward ratio, whichever comes first. Now, while we wait for this trade to play out, let me quickly explain something useful for all my beginner and intermediate viewers. What is Forex trading? Forex trading, or foreign exchange trading, is the act of buying and selling currency pairs, like Euro per US dollar or GBP per JPY, to make a profit from changes in price. It's the largest financial market in the world, with trillions of dollars traded daily. You can trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, which gives you flexibility, whether you're a part-time or full-time trader. The goal? Buy a currency when it's low and sell it when it goes up, or do the reverse if you're shorting. What is scalping in Forex? Scalping is a fast-paced trading style where you enter and exit trades in just a few seconds to minutes. The aim is to grab small profits from quick moves, but done many times in a session. It requires fast decision-making, a reliable indicator or strategy, and a strong internet connection. Scalping is great for traders who like high energy, quick results, and multiple trades in a day. Which is better? Forex trading or scalping? Honestly, both have their pros and cons, and the right choice depends on your personality and trading style. If you prefer quick trades and enjoy being active during sessions, scalping might be perfect for you. But if you like analyzing the market and holding trades for longer time frames, then regular Forex trading or swing trading could be a better fit. No matter which one you choose, the key is to stay consistent, manage risk wisely, and stick to one strategy at a time until you master it. Our trade is still running, so stay tuned and let's see how it closes. And yes, we've won this trade. As per our strategy, We booked our profit right when the first red circle appeared again, just like we planned. This is a perfect example of how discipline and rule-based trading can lead to consistent profits. Remember, we didn't rush into the trade. We waited for the right setup, followed the rules, set our stop loss, and exited with confidence. That's the power of this indicator strategy. It helps you spot high-probability setups with clear entry and exit points. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions or want me to make a video on your favorite indicator, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss future strategies, live trades, and tutorials from AM Trading Tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, trade smart, stay safe, and keep learning.